Hello guys, welcome to Congrats Mom's channel here in Kenya, Africa. Coming live from home. So here the work is going on, construction work. So here we have the roofing. Today is roofing taking place, guys. So here we have the roofing. That is the roofing taking place. So hope you'll be happy to watch this video. This is the work that is going on today. And here we are showing you the progress of this place. So it's another evening that God has given us. See how the work is going on, guys. By the grace and your prayers, we shall accomplish this work. So this is the work. Wow. The Masons are there struggling so hard. Yes. You hear the noise. The work is on. Wow. Working on trusses. After that, the iron sheets will follow. Then we shall have to wait the house to dry, then plastering will take place. And also the door. Wow, so that is the work of today. And if it is your first time watching this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, share the video to your friends, and also give a comment down below. Wow. So today, here I am showing you how the work has been going on since morning, guys. Wow, you see how they're working. You see, that's where they're working. You may not hear the noise, but I have to show you the work of today. Wow. Roofing is going on, and it's a good progress. Soon we shall accomplish the project. I know by God's grace we shall accomplish the project. So let's see how the work is on. That's the herb over there. Yes, where we use washing our utensils. The herb is here, drinking water there. Then moving down. Wow. You are able to see here we have the borehole where we get water. Have the borehole. Wow, guys. Yes. Down. We have very beautiful trees. Very, very beautiful trees. Timber. It has really assisted us to roof the project or the garage. So this is where the timber was being taken from. See here? Wow. It's the timber which has really assisted us to do the roofing. Wow. Same time we have very big trees here, like this one here. You see? Acacia tree. Very big tones. It's almost raining, but by the grace of God, we shall make it. Yes, guys, let's subscribe, road to 30K, and we appreciate. See the timber which has really assisted us to work. There's a cow there grazing. That's the compound of Congress, Mom. Wow. So we keep on updating you on the progress of the roofing. So today, roofing. Maybe tomorrow we shall be putting now the iron sheets. We shall see what will happen tomorrow. The rains are almost coming, guys, and that's why we are here updating you on the roof. Yes. So let's see. See the work, how it is going on. Check how the timber is being taken up. Yes. That's how the roofing is being done today. So guys, here we are trying to show you how the work is done. That's the roofing. Wow. Yes, guys, we continue from here. So it's almost raining and the masons are on. But by the grace of God, the day will end. The rains are almost coming. But here we are. We appreciate God for this day. Yeah. So let's see. So guys, I'm taking you around. Today, the main work was roofing, which they are putting the timber. And that's the main work of today's work. The iron sheets will then follow, maybe tomorrow, which I have already purchased them. And yeah, let's see. That 8 in number, there are many. And here they are, and a lot of, these are the iron sheets. See, they are called gauge 30 and Dumusasa. So that is, we have promoted Dumusasa. So guys, this project has been very tough, but I know we shall end it. There's a lot of also nails bought. Yeah, let's see the nails. These are the nails. Wow. Here are the nails. So let me move and take you around. The rain is almost coming, and I know the masons will have guys to work very fast so that before the day ends, they'll have finished putting the trusses on the roof. Then maybe tomorrow the iron sheets will have to be put. Thereafter, we shall be able to make a step as far as this work is concerned. So yeah, let me take you around. If it's your first time, you can see how this compound looks like. Wow, timber is there. And we are continuing to see how the day is ending. Wow. So here we have the coconut trees. The coconuts are here. Wow. The coconut palm. The palm tree is not coconut. Palm is not coconut, it's just palm plants. See? The palm. Palm. See here how the palm looks like. Yes. Here we have orange plant, still young, growing. Yeah, that is it. So guys, the rain has started. Wow. So you hear the wind bring the rains. So guys, that's how the roof looks like from this angle. Yes. The Masons are working seriously. Oh guys. Almost the rain is falling. Wow guys, we appreciate. Here we have our wonderful tree which is giving us fruits. This one is the guava tree, guys. Look at this guava. So let me end this video here by saying thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful. Kindly subscribe to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, may God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe to Congrats Mom, guys. This tree here, this one gives us the foods you eat, but the leaves you can boil. You make tea with the leaves. So sweet tea. So that's what I'm leaving for you today. Make sure that the leaves of the guava tree you boil and you take tea. Yes, that's the medicine I'm giving you this evening. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Till next time, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys. So we are here with my sister. Kindly, she has visited me. You see, we are with her. I'm showing her the roof, what we've done. I hope you will enjoy this video. So my sister has just visited me and I'm taking her around, guys. So kindly subscribe to her channel. I'll be very happy to see her.
Okay, continue.
Okay, guys. So I was saying kindly go and subscribe to my sister's channel. And you know, her channel is called Martha Mora's channel. So don't forget, guys. So I'm just taking her around, showing her the work we have done. The Masons were on, but because of the rain, they have just gone.
Raining and raining
It's
and
really raining,
in
guys. So here we are. We are
Nifungulie
so
YouTube channel
grateful.
yangu. Nataka apige hiyo picha. This is where we are, the building as you see. The mama is your wiser mama, hardworking.
Yes,
I'm very
guys.
surprised to know that a mama can go around and just design this thing. It was not designed by an engineer. This was designed by mama. And she has done the roofing. As you can see, the roofing up there. The roofing is very nice, guys.
Yes, guys.
That is the roofing.
The roofing we can just show from here. So come. That is the roofing. Yes, guys. So when you are here, you are able to see the roofing, guys. Check the roofing. Come here and show the roofing. So the roofing is just there. You see? When you are far away, you are able to see the building well.
The building is very nice.
So guys,
and these masons have done good.
yes.
I just congratulate them. I didn't come hurry and take my nini. This is my YouTube channel, Martha
Yes.
Mura YouTube channel.
Yes, guys.
Subscribe, guys.
Yes.
Give a comment, a like to friends, guys.
Yes.
Say something about this channel.
Yes.
Martha Mura YouTube channel. Congrats, mom at home.
Yes, guys.
She's sick, but very wonderful mom. She's working there. I'm very surprised. This is a winsome, amazing. This
Wow.
very amazing day for this mama. I'm feeling very proud of her.
Okay,
guys, say something. These African women,
yes,
we are struggling and starting to know how the world is coming out. Guys, we are very proud.
Yeah, we are so proud. Our guys, your friends outside there, kindly go and subscribe to my sister's channel, which is called Martha Mura. She's a wonderful lady. Okay. You see how she's beautiful?
Thank you.
Wow.
Now, congrats, mom is laughing. She was feeling very bad. The hand is very aching, but now she's not even sick. She's proud of the day.
I'm healing, guys, because of my sister.
Okay, thank you.
So don't forget my sister, guys.
Subscribe.
I'm so grateful. Subscribe, share the video, and leave a comment down below. Wow.
Okay,
bye.
bye. Thank you.